is a video on how to make a scatter plot once you've put your data in. So in the last video, we already entered our data, and now we just want to make a scatter plot of our data. So I'm going to go to second stat plot because everything that we're doing is for statistics. I have some on and some off. It's always kind of good to just, if you're starting off, just to hit plots off. Whoops. Second stats plot, to turn all of them off for. So I want to turn everything off because that way I don't have to worry about, was something on that I didn't want to graph and now the calculator is freaking out because it's trying to graph more than one thing. That can happen sometimes. So just a general, turn everything off and then you can manually turn them on. So second stat plot, I'm just going to plot in the first one. I'm going to hit enter. And then I want to turn it on. So it's highlighted on and I hit enter to turn it on. The type I'm looking for, the very first thing here, is a scatter plot. Later on, we'll do a histogram for our residuals to take a look at that. And you can see I have it under, the last thing I graphed was L5 and L6 for my scatter plot. But in the last video, we had put X under L1 and Y under L2. So to change your lists are down here under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 respectively. And you need the second button to get to them. So second 1 for L1, and we'll hit enter. And second 2 for L2, and we'll hit enter. This just allows you to change what the mark looks like on the graph, and the color allows you, maybe one color is better for you to see over the other. I'm going to leave it as green and as these open circles because I think that they show up the best on these videos. So from here, we want the window to be set up nicely. The easiest way to do that is to go to Zoom, and then you're going to look for Zoom Stat. Zoom Stat should be under 9, so you can either hit 9 or you can scroll down to it, and once you're cursed over it, you can hit enter. I'm going to just hit 9 so I don't have to keep scrolling, and there I can see is my scatter plot. Our next video is going to be how to run the linear regression and get the linear regression stored so that you can see the line graphed as well.